Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Real quick, let's get it out of the way. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, hit subscribe. Comment below on what you think of our upcoming product review here. Share it out on social media, get the word out. We'll see how this goes. I was contacted to see if I'd like to go ahead and review the Topdon JS2000 jump pack on my channel and give them a review over on the Amazons, and I said, sure, why not? And we're gonna go ahead, unbox it, take a look at it, and probably go down to the shop and try it on my little garden tractor, which I know is dead as a doornail, and also our F350 Power Stroke diesel. It says it is good for up to 6-liter gas or 6-liter diesel engines, so we'll find out. But first, let's go ahead and take it out of the box. There we go. It does come in a carrying case, which is really nice. All right, we'll go ahead here and unzip the case. Certainly handy for traveling, keeping everything together. Inside we have stuff. We have our little dongle that plugs into the jump pack. And then of course connects onto your battery, positive ground. It is TIM-proof, so I can't plug it in backwards. It does know by the plug here, so you can't mistakenly put it in upside down, and does have a current sense on it, so if you try and hook your cables up backwards, it'll also recognize that and not allow you to try and jump it. The jump box itself, pretty sturdy, rubber surround on it, looks pretty good. There's also a light on it. I have to figure out how to operate. I could probably look at the directions for that. But the important parts here are the outputs. You've got two USBs, standard USB and then a smart quick charge. Your input or your output to go to the battery. On this side here, you've got a 14 to 16 DC out for any other sort of charging device. And then the other side is your input for charging, which comes with a USB-C charger. So won't be 5 minutes, this thing will be charged up, but it'll get the job done if you've got a few minutes. And you can also use this to charge up any of your devices for USB-C. So like I said, I'm gonna let this thing charge up. It's at about 75% now, but I do wanna have this thing charged when we go down to the shop and try and start things up. All right, we've made it down to the shop. We've got a couple of cars here. We've got our lawn tractor over there, our pickup, maybe our other little project car. We'll see if it'll jump these things to go. I did find the light. Pretty much hold the power switch for 3 seconds and you've got an LED light. It'll also strobe in case you're in danger. So a couple of different options there. So some added safety features, I like that. In case you're out camping or something, you've got it with you and you break down, you need some assistance, you can more easily flag people down, especially at night. Anyways, we have, first of all, our old Cub Cadet. It is definitely in need of assistance in more ways than one, but the battery that's in there is pretty much toast. I've got a maintainer on it and it's still clicking on and off because it just can't keep up with it. See if I turn the key. We got nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the jump pack, turn on the boost, and see what happens. Alrighty, we're hooked up. Easy as that. Now it is cold, so I'm not expecting this thing to start. Also, it's low on fuel, but you'll be able to tell it turns over more quickly. So definitely a big improvement for starting something like this. This has regular conventional oil in it. It's about 25 degrees Fahrenheit right now. I wasn't expecting this thing to start at all because with this thick oil, it just will not, it just won't start in the middle of winter. I've tried that before, but I know with this, with the pack, you can tell it is definitely turning over more quickly. So if you were to try and jumpstart something, even that small, it would have no problems with it if your oil was not as thick as molasses. Next on my list here is our '05 F350 with the Power Stroke 6-liter. We do have dual batteries in here. And typically I would have a charge maintainer on this, but I have not because I knew this was coming and I wanted to give it an accurate representation with a vehicle that's been sitting for a few weeks, not on any sort of other maintainer. So let's hook up our pack. Alrighty, we are connected. Gonna hop in the cab, give it a few cycles for the glow plugs. There we go. Just like that, started right up for me, not a problem at all. Now typically, if it had not been sitting on the maintainer and I tried to start it, the RPMs, it really would have been lugging to keep moving. Eventually it would have fired off, but you know, it just would have been a lot slower and tried harder. You can just tell when your big old Power Stroke is cold. It needs a little more juice to get going, and so far Mr. Topdon here did the job. Now one nice thing, when you do connect it up to your vehicle, it will sense the circuit connection there and turn itself on and be ready to jump. Once you actually take off the ground lead from your battery, it takes about 2 to 3 seconds and it will realize there's no longer a connection there, and it will disable the battery pack so you are not in danger of shorting against anything else or causing any sparks. So that is, I think, is a nice safety feature. You know, let's run off to a third car here. Another one not on a maintainer. Oh, let's see. This is our project car right now, a little Ford Fiesta. By no means is this a power-hungry engine at all, but it just goes to show that you can keep on going from car to car to car and charge up the next one. All right, we've got our juice pack in there. All right, we're all connected up. Alrighty, we're in the driver's seat here, the good old Fiesta. Let's see what we've got. Fires right up. Now, I brought this thing home with a known dead battery or poor battery, and it sat on the maintainer when I first brought it home, and that was about 6 weeks ago now. And I really haven't had it on a charger or maintainer since, and it's been sitting down here in the shop for about 3 weeks now. And again, to come down, plug it in, and be able to fire it right up with the jump pack here, it's pretty great. Let's run back up to the house where it's considerably warmer, and we'll give our final review. Alrighty, so I have so far been pleased with the JS2000 jump box. We'll certainly be taking it with trips this year, road trips, in the event of a dead battery. We've got something to take care of us. Going to scout out more cars this year. I'll definitely bring it with and use it where I can. And overall, I think compared to some of the other brands with double at least the price point, this looks to be a pretty good unit. So it's solid, it comes with a case, that's a big bonus. And I just look forward to putting it through some more paces over the next year here. So yeah, definitely give this one a shot. It's just over $100 on Amazon, and I definitely think it's worth your time and money. So have you tried this one out yet? If so, go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Or is there something you think I should give this thing a test on yet that I didn't showcase here? I mean, I could try the Bobcat, but it's a real pain in the butt to get to that battery. Otherwise, I hit the big pickup, I hit something really small, I hit something medium size. I just don't have enough cars around here that are in storage that I could go car to car to car and try them all and drain this thing down. But hopefully I've given a decent demonstration of it. And again, go ahead and check this out over on the Amazon page. I will go ahead and drop a link below where you can find it. And if this is the first time coming to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, like the content, watch more of it. Plenty of good stuff here on cars, some other product reviews that are automotive related. And other than that, hope you have a great day, and hope you come back for more videos. Thanks. Bye-bye.